Right about now would be excellent. Yep.
This one here?
Yep.
Why didn't you pick this up, Lori?
Why didn't I what?
What?
Why didn't you pick this up?
What?
What you got?
Arrowhead.
Let me see. Let me see.
I didn't go that far, huh?
Holy smokes! Oh, you mean everybody walked over the top of it?
Beautiful, Grandpa.
That's fine. Elbow ya.
This is a romantic spot.
The last of the romantics of Maryland. Are you taking a video?
I've had it on for the last 20 minutes.
There's not even any thousand dung for a romantic spot.
Here, well, let's see if we can get a... Here, let's put it on your hand.
What does that do?
Makes movies.
Oh, it's a big
movies
no,
of you. No.
Don't shake your head, because I'll make it repetitious. Now watch Andrew, he's going to have his head down, he's going to fall in a gully. Oh, he's stacked up.
This isn't a romantic spot?
Go down there once, I think I see something.
Yep.
I see, oh, there's a deer horn right over there.
Yeah, go get it.
Here, you want to hold the camera for me?
Go get it.
Okay, there. No, I'm not going to give it.
Why not?
The porcupine ate it already.
Find an elk antler. They've been on here many times.
How are you doing?
Did you look on this gopher piles, Rachel?
Mm-hmm.
How about this one?
Mom, what's this?
Oh, that's hollyhock.
Weed.
Is it running? It's running.
It looks like a clematis after flowers. Oh, it's a
This would be
clematis.
quite the movie here, walking right behind Alice the whole way.
Do you want to keep that for very long?
Oh, he buys them for $10 a piece.
This one costs
It will be disposable.
This one costs $8.99. Without. Actually, 7. Actually, 6. Pretty much.